Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shriti and for today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my monthly favorites. So मैंने last monthly favorites किया था जून या जुलाई में. It's been a really long time. I decided why not to do monthly favorites this month and start this again. So लास्ट टाइम मैंने ज़्यादातर मेकअप और स्किन केयर रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स मेंशन किए थे. इस बार मैं एक्सेसरी और ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स मेंशन करूँगी जो कि सारे लोगों के लिए यूज़फुल हो सके. आई मीन मेकअप ज़्यादा लोग लगाते नहीं हैं बट these products that today I'm gonna mention are for everybody and trust me everybody can use them. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product that I have with me is the Only Leaves 100% whole bitterness green tea bags. So this has a couple of green teas which are different flavor. Let me show you guys. So this is turmeric ginger tulsi green tea and it has mint green tea, then lemon green tea. It has a lot of flavors, trust me. And just see guys, it tastes so amazing and I make sure that it won't taste bitter. I have been trying this since a month and I have been loving this. And trust me guys, I have never tasted a green tea like this which is not bitter. So it is a very good product. You must try this out and I'll make sure to link this in the description box below. In case you are a green tea person like me, then I'm sure you're gonna definitely love it. Second product that I have with me is the eye mask. So I have been getting a lot of dark circles and I saw a difference in my under eyes. It got black due to the unbalanced sleep cycles that I had during this period of time. So I made sure that let's order an eye mask and it turned out to be so well. Just look at this guide. It looks so pretty and so adorable. It's so cute. I love unicorns and no offense but like I love unicorns and I just love the way how it looks. And trust me guys, I have been getting a sound sleep since then I started using this product. It's so soft. Just look at this and the material it has, it's amazing. And I have been I have been able to sleep really well after using this. So I guess it's a pretty well budget friendly product because usually you don't get good quality eye mask in such a low price. So it's a definitely try on product. Do check this out. All the links by the way are in the description box below in case you are interested in buying this. So make sure you check the description box below. You're gonna get all the. So the next product that I would suggest to each one of you, each age group, because nowadays what is happening that we are learning digitally and doing our work via home. So we are using and there's a lot of screen time. So I would suggest you guys to buy a anti-glare specs. It's really important to take care of your eyes because we spend hours on screen and it's really. मुझे क्या हो रहा था ना अभी एक महीने पहले से that I used to get a lot of headache and I realized कि this is not something that is really good. I need to do something for this. Then I got to know about anti-glare thanks to my neighbors. They are really kind. So they told me that get yourself an anti-glare specs and it worked out really well. Nowadays I am I am on screen continuously because I have classes, then I have to shoot, I have to edit, I have to like almost 18 hours में से मेरे 15 hours screen time होता है आराम से. So it was getting so tough for me. So this really worked for me and I would suggest you guys to get at least a pair of specs for yourself because you need to protect your eyes, you need to take care of you can also get them from a local shop or you can also go on a website. I am not really sure because I got it locally, so I'm gonna make sure that I link a substitute for that, or like Lenskart has a lot of anti-glare options, so you can get it from there, or like you can go locally and get an anti-glare for yourself, but it's really important. So the next product that is in my monthly favorites is a face scrub. So of course guys, I'm a skincare junkie. I would definitely include something related to skincare. So it has to be the Mamaearth's Upton face scrub. So I have been using this since 2 months now. Not on a regular basis but like yes, I use it once in a week to scrub my face out. It works really well. It has shown a tremendous effect in terms of improving my dead cells and removing my tan. So I would definitely recommend this. I'm not really sure if oily skin or like acne prone skin people should use it or not, but like for my skin it works really well, so it is in my favorites. The next product is again a skincare product. This is something which I have been using since a month regularly before sleeping. So this is the Mamaearth's Vitamin C Sleeping Mask, and I have been loving this. Let me show you guys. It has a gel-like consistency and it is so magical. I mean guys, just look at this. This is transparent. I hope the camera is able to capture it. I'll show you like this. See, this has a gel-like consistency and it's a transparent. What you need to do is before sleeping you need to apply a very thin layer of this, and as soon as you wake up in the morning you need to wash your face with warm water. It has been working tremendously on my skin because I have seen a lot of difference. This says that it is for skin illumination, and trust me guys, it has shown that effect on my skin. Personally, I feel more glowy as I used to before. So I would definitely recommend this product. It's a magical product and I have been loving Mamaearth. This is not a sponsored video. This is my personal preferences. So I would highly recommend this product to you guys. So make sure you definitely try this out. So the next product, as I mentioned that I got a lot of dark circles, and I'll make sure to link a before and after picture so that you'll get a better understanding of what I was saying. So I got this Biotique Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel, and I've been using since a month, and it has shown a tremendous effect in lessening my dark circles. I mean, my eyes literally got black and I saw that patch on my eyes. So it has worked really well so far, and I'm looking forward to buy another bottle of this bottle. Oh my god, another packet of this, and I'm sure it's gonna help me. So this is a highly recommended product. It's also budget friendly. The reason why I was looking for a less price, because nowadays I have started saving, and because saving is really important. So this is a budget friendly, and it works really magical. It says that it has Ayurvedic properties, so of course it has to work magically. If you have the problem of under eyes and black dark circles, this is something for you. So the next item is again an accessory. This is these bobby pins, the pearl bobby pins. I have been loving them. I have been watching different YouTubers, different content creators on Instagram, on YouTube wearing these, and I was a big fan of these. So I thought why not to get these, and I really love the way how they look, how they turn out to be. Just look at them. They look so gorgeous, and I don't know why I included this in my favorites, but like yes, this is my favorite purchase of the month, so I had to include this in this video. So the next product is again an accessory. This is a satin rubber band. Yeah, satin rubber band, and the reason why I bought these, like I bought the packet, but rubber bands का क्या होता है ना कि वो घूम जाते हैं. वैसे मेरा भी घूम गया. बहुत सारे rubber band मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है. यहीं कहीं रखे होंगे बट दिख नहीं रहे अभी. So इससे क्या हुआ कि I saw a huge difference that मेरे जो I used to have hair fall in my hair, now it has कम हो चुका है by 50%. So I can see a huge difference by switching my rubber bands from normal to these satin ones. And but try करके देखना, इससे बिल्कुल hair fall नहीं होता है. And I am looking forward to purchase another packet of this. So well. I mean, I love the way, because it does not feel like कि आपके बाल खिंचा रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं लगता. It just lessens the amount of hair fall you have. So this is a magical product. That's why I have included this in my monthly favorites, because this has shown tremendous effect, and I wanted to be genuine with you guys. That's why I made this video, because everything that I mentioned in this video has shown me that effect in just a month, which I can proudly say that yes, it worked, or like yes, it has been working, it has been showing a tremendous effect. So that's why. So I guess that's about it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked watching it. If you did, then make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the little bell on your right side to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love, love. Mwah. Stay safe, stay hydrated.